Toyo tires Treadpass. What's going on here? This is new. Oh, this is sick. Check out this Subaru. Oh man, Varis Racing Concept Supra. Damn, this is sick. Back up on that. Look at that. That's beautiful. What else we have? Really, a Tesla Model S modified. I've never seen anyone go this far with a Tesla Model S. It's not even that much. Looks like it's mostly like a wide body kit. Maybe some suspension. Really nice. Over here, oh man, LS swapped, full carbon chassis, or well, full carbon body panels. Datsun 240Z. This is, back up a little. That looks really, really sick. What do we have? What do we have? Look at this Chevy V8. Not sure which one it is. Maybe like an LS2 or something. LS3. Belt seats. Carbon fiber shift knob and hydraulic handbrake. That's new. Of course, all this carbon fiber across the entire car. This is something nice. Look at these huge over fenders for the wide body kit. Big RPM gauge. Of course, that's all you really need, right? Real nice, real nice. What else? What else? Really, an SL300. Okay. Mercedes SL. No, it's a 300 SL, not a 300. There you go. Wow. This is really well done. This is how you do an interior. All blue. Check out the quilting. Very well done. It's almost looks like it's painted Nardo gray. And there's this pipe here, which for whatever reason couldn't clear the hood. So I want to see what's under this hood. I want to see what's going on under these leather straps. So, of course, got all the Toyo tires out here hanging out. Got this crazy Ford, whatever this is, F-150 Raptor, I think. I don't know. I mean, it hardly looks like a truck to begin with. It's got the, oh man, it's got a two. What the hell's going on here? It's got 3 radiators or something. Holy crap! This must be like a trophy truck. Actually, you know what? I'm not surprised if it is a trophy truck. Oh, BMW A30 M3. You know what? This has to be the coolest booth in all of SEMA. This one right here. They did a lot of work on this. And look at this thing. Tiny carbon fiber M mirrors. Man, I wonder if the door's open. Probably shouldn't touch it. I'm gonna get kicked out. Wow. 2-tiered airfoil, wide body. This is how you do an E30 right here. And I dig the wide body here with the vented fender and those louvers there, those fins directing the air outward. This is incredible. Let me back up and get a good shot of the entire car. Wow. What else is going on here? Is this a Ferrari? Oh gosh, what is that? 355? F355? What do we have going on here? Okay. So it's gray, it's wide body, it's slammed to the ground, and I'm not really sure what it is. Look at that, even the keys are painted the body color. Oh, this is nuts. Rotiform wheels. There you go. This is an RWB. Yeah, this is an RWB 911, so this must be named Sunburst. Is it RWB? I don't know. That wing is very RWB-like. I'm not sure what this is. Wow. There we go, wide body. What else we got going on? Got a Lamborghini Huracan, wide body. I mean, this is a, let's see, is this a LP 610? Yes, it is. So an LP 610 base with no options is 250 grand. Typically optioned out, they're about 300 grand-ish. So, oh my God. There must be another like 50 to 100 grand put into the bodywork on this car. I dig it. What else is going on here? We've got a E46 M3 with a V8. Now what V8 is this? Because this does not look like an LS engine. You know what? I think this is an LS engine actually. I don't know. Because it's got that sort of like a water pump kind of thing. This is the Street Fighter LA. It's got Recaro seats, fully stripped interior. Wow, this is a race car. Carbon fiber dashboard. Holy crap. Here's the shifter there with the hydraulic handbrake, so this must be set up like a drift car. And check this out, it's got over fenders, but look at the fender flare. The fender flare is part of the over fender. It doesn't like blend in like most over fenders are, it's just that portion. Ooh. And then back here, I think probably some radiators, right? Yeah, there you go. Let's see, you got a Porsche 911. Once again, over fenders, BBS wheels. Look at this. HRE wheels, carbon fiber lip. I really want to know what engine this is because, oh gosh. Really? It's a Mopar. This is a Hemi engine. It's a supercharged Hemi in an M3. This is definitely not what I would have expected. Oh, well, there you go. Should have seen that from the start. But you know how thick my glasses are. I'm blind as a bat. And let's get going outside and see what's going on. It's like, what is this, an MG? It's tucked back here. It's got a stripped interior. Wait a second, I don't know what this is. Is this, I don't know if this is an MG. I don't know what this is. If anybody knows what this is, you know what? Put it in the comments. Tell me. I want to know.